Welcome back. I'm Lena Girl, and this is our celebrity guest co-host, Moloka. And it is time for some Shakas and shoutouts. That's right, Shakas and shoutouts to the University of Hawaii Rainbow Warriors in their win over Utah State this past Saturday.
Say it again. Say it again.
Win for the win. Yes, it ended in an 8-game losing streak for the Bows against the Aggies.
Oh, so nice to see a W on the charts for these guys. You were at the game, yeah?
Yes, I actually got a chance to attend the game, and you know, he's my new favorite.
This guy right here.
Oh, this guy right here, aka the Tokyo Toe. This is Kansei Matsuzawa. I was with my sister. We were in the VIP suites.
Oh, check you out.
Fancy, yeah.
Yeah, I heard they get filet mignon.
They have
Kobe beef.
Brother, they have a buffet spread like nobody's business. But you know, it was such a great game. A lot of screaming. We just had so much fun. And you know, the Tokyo Toe, he went 3 for 3 and is now tied with Jason Elam's 20 consecutive field goals. You know, our suite kind of looked down on his practice area, and that guy he's consistent, like a
That's
machine.
what we need. That's what we need. We're looking forward to some W's all season long. I love the energy.
Oh yeah,
I love the energy.
I'm excited. Yeah.
All right, so shakas and shout-outs to everybody who participated in Sunday's Moloka Hoe World Championship. And record numbers out there, over 100 crews, double last year's numbers, making the 41-mile journey through the Kaiwi Channel.
And you know, this time around, 15-year-old paddlers were actually allowed to compete with a number of junior crews racing teams from French Polynesia. They dominated, taking the first 4 spots, with OPT leading the pack, and Maui's Wailea Canoe Club was the first Hawaii crew to cross the finish line, followed by Keaukaha for 5th and 6th place overall, respectively.
Man, what a challenge that is, yeah?
That was. Hey, shakas and shout-outs to this Boy Scout Xavier Ito. He's striving to become an Eagle Scout while helping his community by coordinating a sustainability and composting workshop.
Hey, this is a big project for a good cause. Saturday, October 18th, head over to Alva Scott Elementary Cafeteria starting at 10 o'clock for a family-friendly, free event. Enjoy workshops about soil health, vermicast composting.
That's the one with the worms.
Oh, got it. Okay. And bokashi composting. What's that one?
Yeah, bokashi is kind of like the Genki balls that they're throwing into the. But you can create these bokashi composting balls for your own garden.
Oh, I like that. Okay. Childcare for school-aged children is available when you come. Plus, the first 50 families get a free bokashi composting kit, so you can throw them in your pool in the backyard.
Not your pool. No. In your garden.
In your garden. Okay. I thought we were going to throw them in the alleyway.
No.
You've never seen my pool yet, though.
Okay. Maybe for Maleko's pool. But the event is free. You must register to receive that free kit and to take advantage of the free childcare during the event. A very big mahalo to Xavier Ito. He's a senior at Kamehameha Kapalama for creating this wonderful event.
Shout outs. All right, for more information about the Eagle Scout Sustainability Composting event, just go to kitv.com/links.